Recently I got tested for COVID-19 and this meant that I had to isolate at home until I got my results back. It also meant that I had to do online school. So I thought I'd take you along with me on a productive online school day in my life. But this day of online school is going to become my routine for the next 6 weeks because a few hours ago actually, our Premier announced further restrictions including online schooling as a response to the second wave in Victoria where I live. I also just wanted to say thank you so much for helping me reach 1 million views on my online school quarantine routine video. I love you and I appreciate you. Quickly before we get into this video, let me know down below in the comment section what you do in your free periods, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now let's get into the video. Enjoy. Surprise, surprise, today we got avocado toast for breakfast and my morning coffee. I had periods 1 and 2 off, so I started my day with a Chloe Ting workout. Doing a workout in the morning makes me feel so energized for the rest of the day, so I definitely recommend doing one as well if you are in isolation. It really does help you get through the day. Also, someone please teach me how to do push-ups. So I just had a shower. I didn't wash my hair because I washed it last night, but I'm about to start my online class in like around 20 minutes. So before that, I'm gonna get ready, kind of ish. Like I'm gonna put a bit of mascara on, maybe a bit of a highlighter just to feel good. And then I'm gonna start my day. Yeah. No jump.
Guys, first piece of work in 15 weeks. Yeah, just about.
How's your first day of online school going?
Oh, it's beautiful. Look, I'm just doing my my little whatever this is in a bit of my way. You know what I'm saying?
What are you doing?
And we got all these paintings that I've done over the months, over the weeks that I've been talking about not working, but you know, I've been working hard, putting in work. Check out the abstract paintings. What's good, what's good, got some new style in. Yeah, and
so how's online school going?
Check it out, check the candles, you know how it is, relaxing and that. You want to light up for your video?
Yeah.
Like your birthday. Just gotta be a sick with it, yeah?
Yep. What's one tip that you give to everyone who's doing online school right now?
Oh, one tip?
Yeah.
Talk back to your teachers because they seem sad. I'm sorry. It's true.
Like reply back when they ask how is everyone?
Don't just put yourself on mute like a talk back to your teacher when your teacher's talking. Don't
you mean
just
reply back? Talk back is like a mean way of saying it.
Okay, be a nice person and reply.
Nice.
Because when she's saying, hi, are you here? Don't just be like...
So I'm about to start my online class and my first class is business management, and I emailed my teacher letting her know that I won't be at school, and she said she'll actually do a Google Meet for me, so it's basically like a Zoom call, and so I will actually be able to like participate in the class.
Like 10 videos.
But none of them are good.
Nobody gives a shit about your plate and pasta. Talk about yourself. Nobody cares about your pasta. Nope.
Oh my god. Hey guys, so I just had my business management class and had lunch. I had some pasta. It was very, very yummy. Currently it is 1:30 p.m. and let me just explain a little bit about my day and why I've only done one class even though it's 1:30 p.m. This morning I was able to sleep in and wake up at 8:30 a.m. I didn't have to drive to school, so I had a little bit more time to sleep. I did sleep at 1 a.m. though, so I'm glad I could have a little bit of extra time. And then I had periods 1 and 2 off, so I took my morning really chill. I did a workout. I really took in my surroundings, just lived in the moment, honestly, had my breakfast. It was so nice to just relax for once. And then in period 3, I was in the middle of my shower and I had English, so I'm gonna do English now. And that's a positive that you can take out of online school, that you can actually switch around your timetable kind of, as long as you get the work done. So I'm gonna do English now, and then I have period 5 and 6 off too. So let me just quickly explain why I'm doing online school right now. In Victoria, Australia, people are back at school. So year 11s and 12s are in school, like face-to-face learning. And I'm in year 12, so I should be there too. But yesterday I got tested for COVID-19, so I had very, very mild symptoms. I'm just waiting on those results. Obviously, they don't want us to be out in the community, potentially passing that on to someone else. So I am at home isolating, and this is real quarantine for me. I don't get to go out at all. During quarantine in March, April, I could still go out to the park and exercise, but now this is strict isolation. I'm not allowed to come into contact with anyone. So I thought I would film this video for you guys to show you that I am back in online school, probably for like around a week, hopefully less. Where I live in Melbourne, we have had a second wave of coronavirus, so cases have gone up. But we are back in stage 3 lockdown, which means that we only have 4 reasons to go out. I'll list them right there if you want to pause the video and have a look at them. It's really unfortunate, but if we don't, stop it now, then it will get out of control like other countries that you guys may be in. If you guys are doing online school right now, and I know that many of you are going back to school in September because your holidays are different from our holidays in Australia, then I wish you the best for the start of online school or real school. Stay safe, stay well, and I'm gonna go do English now. I did email my teachers last night and I let them know that I'm not gonna be at school, so they sent me all the resources that I need, which is great. Okay, so one thing I want to make sure I do tonight, right now actually, is email my teachers and let them know I won't be at school for the next few days, so I know what work I need to do while I'm in quarantine, that I don't miss out and fall behind. Okay, so bad lighting because my light isn't turned on here right now, because otherwise it would be like a really weird effect and you wouldn't be able to see anything. The outfit of the day, we got some basic black leggings, my sister's white cropped sweater, which I love, and yeah, that's my outfit. Very quarantine-like, very chill, at-home vibes, so... All of our lessons have been put online by our teachers for any students who can't come into school. So everything is here for me anyway, which is great, so I can study well from home. My hair is a little frizzy, so I'm just gonna tilt my head down. Hi guys. Is that better? Yeah. I'm gonna continue working on English now. Then I'll probably start making the thumbnail for this video because I'm really tempted to, because I got a really good photo and I want to edit it and see how it looks. So thumbnails are so fun to make, guys. They take so long as well, so appreciate the thumbnails. I hope you like them. A little pink font theme going on with a glitter. That's kind of like my style. So if you see any of those thumbnails, make sure you click it, because that's how you know it's mine. After school, I have a Zoom call with my friend. I'm teaching her how to edit, so I'll take you guys along with me, introduce you to her. She's actually a YouTuber starting out, so go subscribe to her channel. I'll put the link in the description down below. Her name is Ariana. She's amazing, and she made her first video, I think, is an IMG a haul. She has so many of those clothes. I need to stop vlogging and start working because I want to make my thumbnail, like I'm so tempted to, but I know that if I start it now, I'm just not going to get any of my work done for school, so I'm going to get my school work done first, and then I'm going to let myself do my thumbnail. Yeah, let's just go. Let's do it. So sad. How was your first day of online school?
Pretty good actually, and yeah, it was pretty good.
What'd you do? What classes did you have? Stop looking at yourself. What classes did you have?
No, I'm kidding. We had media, biology.
Come here, come sit. No, come here, Naja. No, I need you right now. No, come here. Woo! I'm back. I'm letting myself get distracted and do my thumbnail because I honestly, I can't not do it. I'm so I want to create this thumbnail. So that's all we're gonna do, and then I have to get my work done tonight, okay? If by the end of the video I don't do my work tonight, I don't know, what should I do? I will not let myself sleep, okay? That's a good motivator. Even though I don't sleep anyway, I literally get 5 hours of sleep every night. By the way, here are the photos for the thumbnail. I have to choose one. These are screenshots from a video that I took. I can't get over these notes. They're not even that good, but I'm just like, they motivate me. Like I will read over these like 40 times. I bet like all of these like really aesthetic girls on YouTube right now, like those notes are so ugly. Like what are you talking about? Do you guys know that handwriting, like calligraphy or like calligraphy? I don't know how to pronounce it, but I want to learn how to do that.
I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me.
Oh, I love that! So during March and April, when I actually had real online school, and so did all the other kids in Australia, I cleaned my desk, like reorganized it at the end of every day because I hate having a messy desk, as you can tell. This is very messy right now. Everything is all over the place and I literally cannot work like that, and I want to edit a video. I have a Zoom call. I want to watch a course tonight and maybe do a little bit of homework, so I cannot work with this. And something I've wanted to do for ages and I was saving for this video is to reorganize this magazine holder. I have so many random papers in here. I don't even know where these came from. I do this every once in a while because it does get a little hectic in here. Alright, so I'm just gonna be taking out literally everything from here and then seeing what belongs there and what doesn't. Oh my gosh. This nail is literally from formal. Oh my god. From March, April, the last time I got my nails done. And I don't know why, but for some reason I just put it in here. That's a bit gross. I'm gonna throw that away right now. Ew. Sometimes I also like to just take photos of pages and then throw them away. Planning book is here. My in progress and done folders gotta go in here as well. My gratefulness book, my 2020 diary can go in here too, behind this. Oh my god, that looks so much neater. Have a look at that. Ugh, love that. And now let's go through these papers. Okay, so my camera battery died. Now for a snack, I'm having 2 bananas and I'm about to start the Zoom call with my friend. I'm with Ariana and we are FaceTiming. We were gonna Zoom call, but we're FaceTiming now.
Naskit's my teacher. I don't know anything about editing, so it's been really helpful.
Ariana actually has a YouTube channel that she started.
Yes, I do. I've only got 1 video though, so, I mean, subscribe if you want, but I'm going for a fashion vibe.
Oh, wait, don't you like makeup videos as well?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do something like that as well, because I have way too much makeup and a lot of time on my hands for it.
Quarantining! So we're just doing some basic like title screens and transitions and sound. This is just a video that I've previously edited, but I just cut it down a little bit to make it teachable. Is that a word?
No.
Yeah. No, it's not. What's the word for it?
I don't know. Like, maybe teachable is a word. Wait, let's...
Oh wait, are we searching this up? That's so fun.
Teachable. Oh, it's a company.
Oh,
you're onto something. Oh no, it is a word.
It is a word? Oh my god, yay!
Able to learn by being taught. It's teachable. There you go.
That's fun. Do you have anything to say to everyone in the world and like Melbourne, because we're all in lockdown?
For Melbourne, the weather's terrible anyway. Stay inside. Wear your mask if you're gonna go outside, otherwise you're gonna get a $200 fine.
Yep.
So we don't want that.
Basically, we have to wear masks by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Otherwise we get a $200 fine, and I agree with it. I think it's good that they mandated it. So I actually wore a mask to school last week and I did not even know how to wear it properly. I just put it on and then my friend was like, oh, there's a wire here that you have to push down. So my phone died, so I'm just FaceTiming her from my laptop. Can you give us one tip for online school?
Oh my gosh, get out of bed. Because I was like so excited. I was like, oh my god, I can be in my pajamas, I can just lounge in bed all day, and now, you know, I've fallen behind.
Yeah, I think we all fell behind a little bit in online school.
Yeah, set up a place like on your desk and make it look pretty, make it look cute, so you want to actually be sitting there.
Hi guys, so I forgot to film an outro for this video, so here I am literally a week later. By the way, I didn't get my English homework done. I got too carried away with my thumbnail. I'm so like, I want to create this thumbnail. So that's what we're gonna do, and then I have to get my work done tonight. I will not let myself sleep, okay? But I still slept that night. Obviously, sleep is important. I don't make myself sleep deprived because I need to get things done. That's a lie. But anyway, don't do that. I hope you enjoyed the video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, turn the notification bell and see every time any future uploads. I love you, I appreciate you, and I hope you have a good night or good morning wherever you are in the world. Alright, see ya. Bye. This is a good stretch, honestly.
Clueless when you're gone.